don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans with TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Sikukune 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Thank you, Siwe. Yeah, Siwe. Kamla bafethu ayana Mgilana, well known as Ukoke bafethu. Yeah, the best analyst for sure. Namanjani bafethu gaming. Yeah, we are coming bafethu. Bafethu, mesibheka igame eSikhukhune versus Mamelodi Sundowns away ePolokwane bafethu. Sithe mangibheka i-lineup. Coach Cardoso answered a question that has been bothering me for isikhathi eside. The question is, when do we start adjusting in terms of our generation? The current generation of players esidlala ngazo week in and week out. When do we start removing them kancane kancane and introducing a new generation that will take over and take Sundowns to the next level? How did I get to that? I want you to look at Williams. Williams arrived at Mamelodi Sundowns when? And count how many cups he has won at Mamelodi Sundowns, domestic cups, and count how many leagues he has won. Since he has arrived at Mamelodi Sundowns, he has won a league every season, but he has not won any cup, any domestic cup. You look at Umkwena, first season, Mamelodi Sundowns, he won in Nedbank, he won a league, but since then, there's no domestic cup we need. You go and look at other players, those profile players that we normally know. Now I'm in research. You will see them back in win a cup. You look at the profile of Mutao. Mutao season 2021-2022 season. Ula win a treble. When winning Nedbank, but win MTN8, but winning league. Since then, Agaza lifted any domestic cup. So it comes to that thing with each generation here. I feel they've been there for a long time. And I'm talking about players that have been at Mamelodi Sundowns, 4 or 5 players. Abanye 6 years, they've been for 4, 5, 6 seasons, Mamelodi Sundowns. And you try and look at achieved, and you look right now when I mean, if you can count 6 seasons, the Orlando Pirates. In that 6 seasons, how many times Orlando Pirates changed our generation? I'm talking about the generation Yabo Manyisa. Ya change our generation Yabo Saling. Ya change our generation Yaboban Yabo Real. Ya change our generation Yaboban Jongwas Bonamanja Abu Mbogazi, Sibonamanja Abu Tensing. You know, each team, there's a time with Milligan Zagalin, it changed each generation so that Abant Banga Katal. The reason why we were complaining with our players, they seeming at interested in playing, it's because I feel what they've achieved. Lento mele ba achieve each generation ine goal yayo and mele be nama target wamithile. I feel ukuthi bona as a generation they've meet their target. So iya kuphi lento yami ukuthi changing coaches and changing things ukuthi sometimes we must look at the root ezinto zonke ukuthi lama players now, how many coaches ba coach you, ba coach Mikel Cardoso, ba coach Manqoba Mnqithi, ba coach Rulani, abanye ba coach Coach Pitso. 4 coaches. Go and look at lama coach lawo. Ba win in go wonke lama coach lawo. Ngangitshela ukuthi beba dominate ball position baba that thing bese beba dominate ball position. I know ku season ya coach Rulani you tell me ukuthi ba win I league nga 72 points, which coach Cardoso also did it. Ungitshela ukuthi they were invisible but the same number if ngabheka ama draw ka coach Rulani that season unama draw amaningi. And you are complaining this is Cardoso nama draw amaningi. I'm not defending Cardoso, I'm saying let's look at yonke into. And I'm not only talking about a ground in ama player, I'm also talking about Mamelodi Sundowns as an institution. Last time we were complaining about Mamelodi Sundowns creativity in terms of what ama camera quality, even mabaveza ama team ukuthi sidlala nan improve imedia yethu Mamelodi Sundowns. So it shows once a person ahlala endaweni for a long time uba too comfortable, and when you get too comfortable creativity iyaleka. So that's why we see with media sesakhala ngemedia Mamelodi Sundowns are improve. Now skhala ngani coach, but how many coaches are you going to change before you look at ama player ne generation and tell this generation then iyenzile umsebenzi wabo? Ngizobamba lapha ngale kodwa bese singena lapha egaming straight egaming. And the surprise akasilethele yona coach ama player match. I think ukuthi they show caliber Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi they are Mamelodi Sundowns players, ama player adlala Mamelodi Sundowns. The chemistry was there from goalkeeper ukuya phambili. We love experience yaka coach ya Dennis Onyango, goalkeeper Dennis Onyango. Even the chemistry yaka my center back with our center back pairing, it was very good. The chemistry up. I like the way Jaden Adams was playing as a register. today adlale irole yaka Rivaldo Kotsie. That one we know between ama center back. He was very good on it. Nami, I want to say Uchedan Adams for me, he's the man of the match. He really bring it on. Even no Sales, let's say into different. Usales Bafitu, creativity along Chitalona is on another level. Usales reminder one player called Roberto Firmino from Liverpool. That's the kind of player let's tell you. And the way we coach namhlanje yenze ngakhona, there's a lot of changes akazenzile and uletha abantu abafuna ihanga. I also enjoyed the play kaMkhulisi today. Mkhulisi gave us a lot today. Chemistry kaMkhulisi no Sales, even no Adam. It was very good in the middle field. I feel ukuthi going forward mina ngcoaching ngibhekile manje some of the games I will go for the same lineup. Not all the games, but some of the games I'll still remain ngibuye ngale lineup lesidlale ngayo. And we also see something different today. Ukuthi sidlale ngama striker two. Sidlale ngo Reynas, sidlale ngo Leon as two strikers, which is something that sigcine kudala ukuyibona ukuthi bafaka uShalulile bafaka uReynas. And I combination eyaka Reynas no Leon, it was very good. How many times did you see uReynas aba offside? Most of the time abadlali beno Shalulile boyithu bahlezi ba offside. But because of the chemistry bebanayo no Leon, I think ukuthi Sundowns ukora amagoli amaningi. And you throw another forward player wafaka uShalulile sadlala ngetrack ezi3. That is why ubona igame se end up ivuleka skora amagoli weskora ngakhona. So bafethu izinto ezinhle zayenzakala. Last time I talked about a combination yaka Nuno Santos no Sales. Na yesebenzela labo number 10 labo. So it shows ukuthi sine variety in terms of our choice. Was spoiled for choice. Ngiyabonga mfethu Sithibo. Danko.
Ayi.